Hi friends! You're on the Lashes online channel, and it's Victoria with you again. Today, I'm going to show you the full lash lamination procedure from start to finish. We'll go through every step in detail, so you can see how this beautiful, natural look is achieved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with growing the channel and ensures you won't miss out on any valuable content. First, I begin by prepping the lashes. It's very important to thoroughly clean the lashes before the procedure to remove makeup, oils, and any impurities. For this, I use a special foam cleanser that gently cleanses the lashes and the skin around the eyes. This is a key step to ensure that the following materials adhere better and last longer. Once the lashes are clean, I carefully apply an under-eye patch to the lower lashes. This is to protect them from the solution and to provide maximum comfort for the client. The patch also helps isolate the upper lashes that we'll be working on. The next step is choosing the right silicone rod. This is important because the proper selection determines the future curl of the lashes. I choose the rod size depending on the lash length and the desired effect. After that, I begin the process of attaching the lashes to the rod. For this, I use a special liquid adhesive, an applicator, and tweezers. The applicator helps evenly distribute the lashes on the rod to achieve the perfect curl. When all the lashes are attached, I move on to applying the first solution. This solution softens the lash structure so they can take on the new curl. I carefully apply the solution about 1 mm away from the roots, going about halfway up the rod, and leave it on for 5 minutes. It's important to keep the exact timing to ensure the best results. To understand the exact timing for each client, you need to catch the moment when the lash becomes elastic. I check the lashes with tweezers, gently moving them right and left where the solution is applied. If the lashes have become elastic and begin to curl, it means the solution has worked. I remove the solution with a dry cotton swab. Next, I apply the second solution. This helps lock in the new curl and makes it long-lasting. In my case, the second solution stays on for 5 minutes as well, but with different brands, the timing may vary, so always read the instructions before using the solutions. Afterward, I remove the solution using a cotton swab. This process requires care to avoid damaging the lashes. I use a rolling motion from the roots to remove the solution without letting it touch the eye's mucous membrane. After this, I move on to tinting. I use a special lash tint to enhance their color and make the eyes look more defined. The oxidant in the tint should be 1.8% to avoid drying out the natural lashes, which is very important for lash lamination. I leave the tint on the lashes for 5 minutes as well. Once the tint has set, I carefully remove it, first with a dry cotton swab to get rid of the excess, and then with a damp swab to completely clean the lashes of any adhesive and tint residue. And finally, the last step is applying the third solution. This nourishes and hydrates the lashes, restoring them after the procedure and giving them a healthy look. This step is very important to finish off the lamination, as it protects the lashes and makes them soft and flexible. Now the procedure is complete. The lashes look longer, lifted, and natural. The effect will last for several weeks, and your lashes will look well maintained and healthy. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.